What's up, fam? Mr. Country CEO back in the house again, man. Look, more game, and more game. That's right. Welcome back to the channel, subscribers, family, and friends. Look, game upon game this morning. I'm in the midst of all changing. I'm right into it. I'm in the midst of all changing right now. I've done 4 of the 8, and so I've been buying filters and filters kits. And so something I've been doing for a little while now, and really try to be more disciplined with it this time, because in the construction business, in business in general, and certainly last but not least, in the dump truck business, a penny saved is a penny earned. Did you get that? A penny saved is a penny earned, right? And so guess what I did? So when you go into these dealerships, y'all, you guys that are just getting started, get the part number. Typically the part number is going to be on the receipt. Catalog those part numbers for that particular truck. What I mean by that, write down the part numbers and what that part number is for that truck, right? Catalog that stuff. Because what's going to happen, especially with filters, you're going to use these same parts over and over again. Brakes, drums, filter kits, you're going to be using that stuff over again. Volvo wanted to charge me like $110, $20 for the air filter. Okay, paid for it the first time or two. I got tired of that, and I thought about, okay, yeah, let's save some money. Because, and see, this is another part. This is a nugget. Nugget alert. I went through an evaluation process and say, okay, where can we save some money at? And I think that that's what you should do periodically in your business anyway, at certain intervals. You look again. Don't just say, okay, well, we spending money, that's what it costs, blah, blah. No, at certain intervals of the evaluation of your business, it's just good to evaluate, okay, where can I save some money at? So in my regular periodically evaluation, I said, okay, where can I save some money at? Okay, so back to where I was after the nugget alert. Volvo wanted $100-something for this air filter. I got the part number because I had it, because I did buy it the first time or two. Went online, punched in those numbers on Amazon. Guess what I find? I find this air filter for $70-something. So I got the air filter, and it gets shipped to me, and I still save $30-something. Did you get that? Right? And so, again, a penny saved in the business, in the dump truck business, is a penny earned. Don't just feel like you got to take the dealership price for it. We live in an e-commerce world, right? And so there are a lot of different avenues to be able to get what you need other than at that dealership. Now, obviously, if you got to have it right then, you got to go ahead and get it, right? If it's an emergency or a breakdown, something like that. But with these filter kits and stuff that you've got a plan to do certain maintenance, look, order that stuff offline, man. Get that stuff shipped to you and save yourself a few dollars. Penny saved is a penny earned.